Meet Terra from SodaStream, the black beauty that turns plain tap water into sparkling perfection in seconds, with a quick connect CO2 system that makes every fizz effortless. Enjoy up to 60 litres per gas cylinder while cutting plastic waste and keeping your kitchen tidy with a sleek BPA-free 1 litre bottle. A world of flavours awaits, from refreshing classics to bold mixtures, all at your fingertips. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Meet the SodaStream Art Sparkling Water Maker, a stylish retro companion for your kitchen. With Quick Connect CO2, it delivers effortless fizz and up to 60 litres of sparkling water per gas cylinder, while the BPA-free 1 litre bottle keeps your drinks fresh. It looks stunning in black, blends with modern decor and makes every occasion feel a little more special. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. In a sleek Swedish design, the Arca Carbonator 3 brings sparkling water into the heart of your home with quiet, confident performance and a stainless steel finish built to last. Elevate every sip as you control the level of fizz with a simple lever, perfect for a healthier, plastic-free routine. 200 milliliter PET bottles sparkle clean and BPA-free, ready for the table or the kitchen, so you drink more water more often. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Meet Duo, the home carbonator that turns tap water into sparkling refreshment in seconds, with the choice of plastic or glass bottles and a sleek black finish. Enjoy fizzy water or custom soft drinks with one-touch convenience, plus Quick Connect for fast CO2 cylinder changes. It helps cut plastic waste and keeps flavorful, healthier hydration at reach. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Experience fizz at the touch of a button with the Soda Maker machine in grey, a one-touch wonder that carbonates water in seconds without any power required. Its durable aluminium frame and chrome finish promise modern style, while the reusable 1 litre bottle and 525-gram CO2 canister deliver practical, eco-friendly fizz for home or on the go. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Discover the Bebo Sparkling Water Maker Bundle, a stylish black system that turns ordinary tap water into crisp, refreshing sparkling in seconds. 4 customizable fizz levels let you tailor every drink, while BPA-free, reusable bottles with hermetic caps keep the bubbles longer. A quick screw-in CO2 canister delivers up to 60 litres of sparkle, with a 10-year guarantee on the canister and UK-backed support. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. For seamless fizz at home, the Sage. The InFizz bottles in a 2-pack slip perfectly into your InFizz Fusion soda maker, delivering consistent performance every time. Crafted from BPA-free materials and independently tested to EU safety standards, these 1 litre bottles keep your drinks sparkling and fresh in the fridge, so your gatherings stay buzzing without the plastic waste. Durable, reusable and designed for lasting use, they're the eco-friendly choice for fizz lovers. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment.